It's called Morse coder. It returns Morse code for English text. So I'll just show you how it works. So we're importing this library called Morse, this one right over here, and then there is a little dictionary in this Morse library which is lookup. So we're assigning that to code. So it's a library Morse dot lookup. As you can see right over here, it's a dictionary with all the numbers, alphanumeric values, and their corresponding Morse code symbols right over here. And it's a very short library. It's just 60 lines. So we have this library, and now we are assigning this to the Morse.lookup, and then we're doing for item and value in toCode.items. For every item we're making it lowercase because we don't want to get disputed with uppercase and lowercase items, so we're making everything lowercase. Now we're asking the user, taking the input, making that lowercase, and then the answer is string to Morse, and we're passing in input text. This again is in the Morse library, as you can see right over here. Returns a list of the pattern to use for S, and S is the string. So return this lookup, and it's doing some list manipulation. Then for X in answer, so every character which you have in the answer, we're appending that to the answer string right over here, and then we're printing it out. Okay, so first I'll show you how it works, then I'll prove it to you that it works. So if I open the terminal, I do python main.py. So it asks enter the text hello. It returns this array HELLO. And to prove that it works, I'll copy this and I'll head on over to a Morse code translator. So boom, it says H, and if I just copy the rest of this, it should work if it does not get disputed. Yep, as you can see, HELLO, and if I just pull up Morse code, you can see this is the letter correspondence. We have the short signals and the long signals. So H was 4 short signals, that's what it is, and E was 1 short signal. Boom, there it is. And it does actually do longer strings, but then you need to translate individual like little letters, because then it messes up with the spaces, which I don't know how to fix. So if I do python main.py hello world, if I do that, see here, it's returning hello world. So if I pass this in, it won't work because first off, the exclamation point, it's connected to the D, and if they're connected, that doesn't make any sense, at least to the translator. So here you have double spaces, so we just copied this first one, bada bing bada boom. Okay, hello, and now the rest of this, I know what a D is, so hopefully this is the correct length. World. Oh, so a D is dash dot dot dash dot dot, so then the rest of this must be an exclamation point. Yep, it works. So you can see world here, and if I just put in hello before that, that should also work. Copy that, boom, bing, bam. Okay, so now you see that my Morse code translator works. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button, and if you haven't done so already or you're new to the channel, subscribe to keep receiving coding videos like this one, other educational coding videos, and a lot of tons of fun stuff with coding. I'll see you in the next one. I've been abeerrao. Peace.